Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So, welcome back to my channel, and this time, we're gonna make another DIY in this episode, and this time I'm so excited because I really like this. I don't know, but because who don't want bling blings? So, come on, let me introduce you this Hot Fix applicator. So, I don't know, but this said, yeah, so there's pictures here. See? You can put bling blings on your purse, shoes, cell phone case, and what was that? Barrettes or clothing. Yeah, so I received this and I'm so excited. I'm really so excited because I really love bling blings. I don't know, but yeah, come on, let's get started. Come on, let's do some DIY because you're home alone. This knife is really identical to my works, which is everyone have this kind of knife, which is mostly of the time we don't know which one is mine and which one is them. So yeah, so I'm planning to put a marks. Really long time ago, I'm really planning to put a marks or a sign that it's mine, which is mine. But now that I found this thing, I am happy that the marks that I'm gonna make is a bling bling. Isn't it beautiful? Imagine the knife with bling blings here. Oh, God.
So first you have to find the right size of the metal tip for your heating wand. And so this is the glue that they're talking about, the bottom of the stones, that black thing. So that is the glue that they are talking about. So I'm gonna put the stones one by one to my subject, to where I'm planning to put the stones. And then I will use the heating wand. Yeah, you have to do it one by one also with the stones. It's kinda a lot of effort because, yeah, and it seems like not working. So I try to find out, maybe I'm in the wrong size of the heating tip. But after I did everything, it really didn't work. Look, this just ruined and burned my subject. Not really look good. So imagine if you do this in a really good items, you're just gonna ruin your things. So I don't think this is good.
So, this doesn't work with plastic, or I don't know. How could I call it? So I'm not gonna try it to my earpods. I'm afraid that I'm gonna just ruin it. So it's enough that I ruined this knife. It's okay, now I have marks on my knives. And anyway, this is really identical to my work because I don't know, but I don't know if this was distributed by the company where I'm working or everyone bought at the same store, or I really don't know, but I also not bought this. So someone just give it for me when I was new, and I would like to thank Gilda Kane. Yes, Gilda Kane, who's also keep on watching on my YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting me, and thank you so much for this knife. And yeah, this is my first knife at work, so thank you so much for keep supporting me and watching all my videos. And yeah, I'm gonna treasure this. And also, of course, since I'm thanking someone, I also want to thank John Melvin Gaudanyo. Yeah, John Melvin, you know who you are, so thank you so much. Melvin is the one who's making my intros and templates. So yeah, thank you so much. So he's still practicing, but I don't know, he chose to practice on my templates and my intros. But of course, thank you so much. And to all the friends who keep on watching, to all my personal and real life friends, thank you so much for watching. And also to you, thank you so much that you're watching these videos. And hey, I have still a lot of videos. So thank you to all of you. So this doesn't work to the knife. or to the things that what I planned. But then I want to try this in a fabric. So I want to try this with this. I already wore this in some of my vlogs. I think this will gonna be pretty with bling blings, right? So let's go, let's find it out.
So I placed the stones like what I used to the knives, and I am going to heat it up with a heating wand. As usual, I have to do it one by one. So I decided first to do that one line, but I think I find it beautiful, so I do it like this. I cover it with bling blings. It's beautiful. Look at that. So to make it secure, I plan to iron it on the back, so just like the patches. Because if you know, there's a patches that you can just iron it and transfer it to your fabric. So I do that to make it secure that it sticks together.
So look at that. This is the bling blings. Can you see it, guys? I think you don't see it much. Oh, come on. I don't know if you see it, guys, but this looks really marvelous. I really don't know. This doesn't shines on my camera, but this is really shining. You see, and now you see the stones. It's really, really beautiful. Look at that. So before it was like this. So this is the back side. So before it was just like that. But look at this now. I am loving it because now this doesn't look like an ordinary scarf shirt. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I think
I'm gonna try it again to another kind of fabrics. I want to see if this will also gonna work with this. So I do the same process. Heat up one by one with the wand and then iron it on the back to secure that it will sticks together. And then I try to, see, it fall out. This is really dangerous to the washing machine. Yeah, so see. Then I will try it to a leather, which is, it claims this works with the leather, but with this time I'm gonna try it with the synthetic leather because I don't want to take a risk with my real leathers. I'm afraid I will just burn it like what happened to the knives. So yeah, as usual, I have to do it one by one. But the same thing happened with the knives. Look, that also burned. So imagine if I use the real leather. Good thing. So, but let's see if this will gonna sticks also. I will try to push it. And it's moving, and yeah, it didn't really sticks there. So this is nonsense, and this doesn't work with it.
so that's it. This claims to work in everything, no, as in this picture said, but also in this manual it said it works with those materials need to be able to absorb the adhesive when it's melted, like leather, paper, card, wool, cotton, linen, tulle, denim, lycra, cotton, and jersey silk, synthetics, polyester, etc. So I have no doubt that this will work with the paper, cards, and wool. But as we've tried, this works in silk and didn't work in a stretchable fabric. So by the manual said, and by this gadget claims, this doesn't work on everything. So, but for sure this will work with tulle and wool. But just always remember, never ever let this touch your items, your subject. Don't let this touch your fabric or, I don't know, the paper. Because as you see, we've tried it in a plastic. This really burns. This really can burn your fabric if this metal touches your fabric. So be careful doing that. So just to make it sure, you can just do it like this. So the diamonds or the stones must be not really flat and covered with the metal. So it should be a little bit hung up and didn't really fit well. So yeah. But as you see, this really works. The stones really works, and this really sticks. But this is something like a patches that you can iron it. So something like a hot fix patches. So yeah. So I don't know, guys, but this doesn't work to what as I planned, and this doesn't work to what I wanted to do. But so okay, fine. This works with the fabric. So I think this will gonna be good and really perfect for the people who used to make dresses and gowns. So, and I have friends who's doing that. So I think I'm just gonna give this thing to her. So I think this will gonna be really helpful to her to create more beautiful gowns and dresses. So yeah. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and I still have a lot of videos. If you still didn't know, you can browse in my channel, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!